So, Crystal?
Yep.
Do you think it was a good idea heading off at the start of October when summer hit, so that we have good weather and all?
I thought so. Now it's pissing down.
We were staying at Timaru's Caroline Bay Freedom Camp, and right next door we were fortunate enough to see 9 of these little blue penguins come ashore. They're the smallest penguins in the world. At the northern end of Caroline Bay, there's the Benvenue Cliffs, a beautiful beach that you walk down onto underneath the lighthouse and beside the train tracks. At the centre of Caroline Bay, you can capture fantastic views of the Southern Alps. There's also a park and all sorts of things to do in the park, from a piazza through to a skate park and all sorts of artwork in between. It's such a fun place to hang out and chill. In Caroline Bay, there's even Frisbee Golf, though I'd advise having a decent frisbee. Ours was like chucking a rock.
What was that? Jamie's turn. That's probably same as me at first shot.
if you're up for it, there's a heap of gym machines around the park at the beach. There's so much stuff to do in Caroline Bay.
I think I'll pull down harder.
Body weight exercise machines suck for me, I tell you. Next stop was Timaru Library. Crystal went in first, and within a few minutes I got a text from her saying, "Oh my God, I just opened up a book and look what's on the page." It was a photo of Scott Dixon. She'd opened the book Made in NZ, and Scott was on there. For those that don't know, Scott's my little cousin that I used to race with and travel the country with, and he's just won his 6th IndyCar title. Congratulations, Scott. That's awesome. As mentioned earlier, the Benvenue Cliffs is home to a lighthouse. That lighthouse is Blacketts Lighthouse. It's been moved twice, but is in mint condition and looks amazing. It's situated beside a railway track and beside the ocean.